Oh my God, it's early. John, what are we doing in the car at 7:15 in the morning on a Saturday?
We are driving south to Corvallis for a aged beer release.
All right, I'm on board. Let's do it. To all those who complained about us having food on the live show, what about food on a beer vlog?
Yeah.
Oh, hot.
Very hot.
Hot. Oh, but good. Very hot.
Very hot.
Oh,
Right.
worth it.
Cheesy.
Cheesy. Who shows up to a bottle release at 8 in the morning?
These
guys.
We can even do park a little bit away so we can walk up to it.
Yeah, that wouldn't be a bad idea. Any excuse for more B-roll.
Right? Yeah.
Yeah. So John, where exactly are we going? What's the name of the shop we're going to?
We are going to the Corvallis Home Brew Supply store here in downtown Corvallis. They are doing a cellar beer release party. Twice a year, they hoard a bunch of really old beers, cellar them personally in their basement, and then release them throughout the year, or twice a year.
How long else have we done a beer vlog together?
Well,
Do you remember the last one?
the beer vlog?
Honestly, do you remember the last one?
Oh, I don't remember the last one. That's hazy.
Definitely have a lot here.
Yes. I'm enjoying it myself.
Yes.
Yeah, might as well.
So I'm running behind. I have one. You have like 8.
I'm probably gonna be spending more than you, Jeff.
Probably a little bit. One of our channels is only half affiliated with beer.
Oh, if you want a good beer to have, get the KBS on your show.
Totally.
That's a good thing.
All right. Found what I'm going home with.
Box is full and I'm still grabbing more.
I compare everything to Rochefort.
Hey, I can.
So many pretty colors to look at.
Yeah.
That right there is a dangerous sign. It's the best beer buying experience ever.
Right.
I already bottled this, so
Oh, you did?
we'll be reviewing this one later. So here's my haul
12.
versus John's haul.
Still adding.
Well, that was a successful trip.
Wasn't it though? Expensive.
Expensive, yeah.
Very expensive.
What did you get? 18 bottles?
18 bottles.
I got 8, so yeah, that should hold me for a little bit.
Yeah.
Let's go drink them.
That's it.
Next stop, Block 15?
Block 15.
Block 15.
Let's hope they're open.
Yeah, it is only 8:45 on a Saturday morning, so, and we're looking for a bar to be open, so.
You never know.
Eh. All right, we struck out on Block 15 not because it's too early, but because they're remodeling. So we're walking down to see if there's anything else open. 2 p.m. to midnight. Oh, Saturday, 9 a.m. They open 15 minutes.
In 15 minutes.
We can wait. All right, we're, like I said, we struck out on Block 15, but we're at the Cave in Corvallis. And, I don't know, John, is it too early for an old-fashioned?
It's never too early for an old-fashioned, Jeff.
Sounds good. Oh, the problem with driving at 7 a.m., 40 minutes to go to a beer opening, is you have to drive 40 minutes back. We didn't think about that one.
No.
We may have overdone that one.
Just the hair.
Next time I need to bring my truck.
Yeah, that would help.
Yeah. So, John, what did we get?
We got a variety of things. We have some things that are rare, some a year-long thing. We have Sierra Nevada's Bigfoot barley wine. We have
You got like 7 of those?
8 of them, actually.
yeah. 2011
to 2018, plus a 2008. I got the last bottle of 2008.
Nice.
One of the cool things, actually, I saw there was a old can of Henry Weinhard's.
Yeah.
That seems like it'll be fun to drink. I don't know if it's gonna be good, but it'll be fun. We got some Old DeGard, Old Bluffton. We got some really cool Firestone Walker anniversary. We have the 14th and the 17th anniversary. 2014 Imperial ESB, actually.
Nice.
English bitters. Got some, what is this? Ivan the Terrible.
Just for the name.
Just for the name. I bought it. I was like, I don't even know if this beer's any good, but I just want the name. Some cognac barrel aged.
That sounds interesting.
That'll be fun.
That could be
so you got some.
I did get a couple cool things. I got a couple from Stone. I got one of their barley wine, the Old Guardian.
That's a good one.
Barley wine. I got the Russian Imperial Stout 2015 edition.
I got one of those too. It's fantastic. Yeah, you showed that to me.
I've heard it's fantastic. So I'm really excited to try that one. This one is, I can't even pronounce the name, but it's a Norwegian winter ale.
Is that by Omnipolo?
No, it's not Omnipolo. It's made in Grimstad, Norway.
Oh yeah, I've never.
So it's genuine.
Even all the descriptions are.
Yeah, everything. This whole bottle is in Norwegian, except the U.S. Surgeon General's.
That's.
So I have no idea what this is going to be like, but it's a 8.5% Norwegian winter ale. So.
Sounds great.
I will look up the pronunciation on the brewer before I film.
We've done that before.
Let's see. I got the Sierra Nevada Narwhal.
Oh, yeah.
Their Imperial Stout.
I think that's a 2014.
2014, yeah. So that one should be good. Of course, had to get the Dab.
Dab Labs. Yep, from Block 15. We were right there.
The Dab Lab juice joint. So that one should be interesting. I did get a little bottle of the Founders KBS, the Kentucky Breakfast Stout. And then finally I got Block 15, the Prophecies.
Yeah.
So,
that's a great beer too.
Yes.
That's one to have warm.
Yeah. So in total, I think we got 26 bottles or cans.
Yeah.
Yeah, so a lot of new beer content coming on the channel. If you want to see a review of the majority of these, John may be opening them on his channel.
Probably
over
will.
on Hops and Brews, and or just enjoying them yourself.
I will be both. I might actually. I think I might enjoy this vintage ale bitters with you here.
Excellent.
On Talking Heads.
Stay tuned for more beer content. I do that from time to time. Check out John's channel over at Hops and Brews for some more in-depth reviews on these beers, and we'll see you next time, guys. Thanks.
Thanks for joining.
Stop using the best material off camera.
You just need it rolling all of the time.
My battery won't last that long. I've got 3 batteries with me today. Gosh. John keeps dropping his best bits off camera. You'd think he would learn by now.
Right?